Hello friends, welcome back to Poongudi's channel. Today let us learn to prepare super soft and healthy idli. Though we prepare idlis with rice and urad dal, the softness of idli depends on the perfect ratio of rice and urad dal, texture of grinding, consistency and fermentation of the batter. It comes in practice. These idlis are very popular breakfast in South India. Idlis are served in twos along with any chutney or sambar. Now let us see about the required ingredients and preparation of idli. This is called idli rice or molaki arisi, which will be perfect for preparing idlis. We take 4 cups of this rice and urad dal. I have taken broken urad dal. You can also use whole dal. For 4 cups of rice, we take 1 cup of urad dal. We add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. It cools our body. Now wash well the rice once or twice. Change this water and soak rice for at least 3 hours. In the same way, we shall wash and soak urad dal also for 3 hours separately in a separate container. Wash this well, change the water and soak for 3 hours separately in a separate container. Usually the ratio of rice and urad dal is 4:1. After 3 hours we shall grind. At first grind urad dal in a wet grinder. Do not grind it in a mixie. Idli will not be good and soft if you grind it in a mixie. Idli will be good and soft only when it is ground in a wet grinder. Grind for 30 minutes. Adding required water. Grind it to a smooth batter for 30 minutes and remove it in a container. After removing urad dal, we shall grind soaked rice separately for another 30 minutes. Add required water for grinding. After grinding, finally we shall add 4 teaspoons of sea salt to this batter, and then we shall add the urad dal batter to this rice batter in the wet grinder itself, so that both the batter and salt will mix together well. Now we shall transfer this batter to containers and allow it to ferment for 8 hours or full night. And after 8 hours, batter rises like this in the containers. Now the idli batter is fermented and is ready. We shall keep idli pan in the stove. Add water up to 2 inches in the pan like this. I usually put 2 lemon skins in order to keep the idli pan clean and white. Use cloth on the molds and prepare idli. Do not beat idli batter. Only for making dosa we should beat the batter. Mix lightly and make idlis. Do not make idlis in cooker. Use cloths in idli pan. Only then the idlis will be very soft. After making, clean the cloth and dry it for your next use. These idlis prepared under steam will be very soft and tasty. It is also good for health. Pour batter in all the molds. Close it and cook for 10 minutes. I have 2 layers of molds in this idli pan. Now close and cook for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes idli will be cooked well. Now sprinkle some water and transfer the mold to a plate. Put it upside down and remove the mold and the cloth. Our super soft idli is ready now. You can serve along with any chutney or sambar. If you have any doubts regarding this recipe, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. For more such recipes, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.